Good morning, everybody. Myself, Anil Raj Vasant Pise, a graduate mechanical engineer and managing director of Raj Process Equipments and Systems Private Limited from India. I welcome you to the forum of Sugar and Ethanol Brazil 2020. We would like to introduce as a turnkey solution provider for molasses and grain-based distilleries, starch plants, pharmaceutical plants, fertilizer and chemical plants, cogen power plant, food and other allied industries. India is one of the largest ethanol producers in the world. There are around 350 distilleries based on molasses in India. Total alcohol production is about 3.63 billion liters per annum. Indian government announced a national policy of ethanol. The policy is to blend ethanol in petrol up to 10% by year 2022 and up to 20% by year 2030. Vinasse is a residual liquid waste generated during alcohol production, which have considerable environmental impact by polluting water and soil. The average generation of the vinasse is about 8 to 12 liters per liter of alcohol production. The quantity of vinasse generation depends upon fermentation process and quality of molasses. Currently, about 40 billion liter vinasse is generated annually from distilleries in India. Therefore, distillery is one of the highest water polluting industry and is listed under red category industry. Raj Process Equipment has installed zero liquid discharge systems for various molasses based distillery in India. Messrs Khandova Distillery is one of the example of zero liquid discharge. This is stand-alone distillery with capacity of 120 KLPD alcohol production. This distillery generates vinasse of about 1.2 million liters per day. The distillery is located in the epicenter of industrial zone in state of Maharashtra in India. With the concept of Raj Zero Liquid Discharge, we ensure not a single drop of effluent is disposed out from the distillery. This technology is approved by Indian Central Pollution Control Board. The volume of vinasse generated in Khandova distillery is about 1.2 million liters per day. It is stored in lagoon having storage capacity for 5 days. The storage lagoon is with 500 micron HDP lining as per norms of Central Pollution Control Board. The vinasse is acidic in nature. The pH value of vinasse is around 3.5 to 4.5. It is dark brown liquid with high COD and BOD. COD is approximately 110,000 to 130,000 milligram per liter and BOD is approximately 55,000 to 65,000 milligram per liter. It emits obnoxious odor. It brings about immediate discoloration and deflection of dissolved oxygen in receiving water streams. This is posing serious threat to the environment. We like to explain biomethanation process. This is continuous flow stirred tank reactor process called as CSTR. It is based on concept of conversion of organic matter into biogas. The process of conversion of organic matter into biogas occurs by a group of bacteria. The bacteria is responsible for digestion. The lateral and central agitators are provided to keep process in suspension. The quantity of biogas generated in 120 kLP distillery at Khandova is approximately 48,000 Nm³ per day. Calorific value of biogas is 5,000 kilocalorie per Nm³. This biogas is used in 20 TPH cogen boiler with 50% coal to generate high pressure steam. This high pressure steam is used to generate 2 MW power with the help of back pressure steam turbine. Low pressure outlet steam after turbine is used for distillation and evaporation process. The steam and power is completely balanced to fulfill the requirement of distillery complex. The following stages are involved in process of anaerobic digestion. Hydrolysis. In hydrolysis, the polymers are converted into monomers. Acidogenesis. In acidogenesis, the monomers formed by hydrolysis are converted into volatile fatty acid. This process of conversion is carried out by the group of anaerobic bacteria known as acid formers. Methanogenesis. The acid produced at the end of acidogenesis process converted into carbon dioxide and methane gas. This process of conversion is carried out by anaerobic bacteria known as methane formers. After biomethanation of vinasse, the COD reduces by 65% and BOD reduces by 85%. The biomethane vinasse is stored in a separate lagoon having 5 days storage capacity. The storage lagoon is with 500 micron HDP lining as per norms of Central Pollution Control Board. The existing method of treatment of vinasse is biocomposting of biomethane vinasse after 30% concentration or by incineration of raw vinasse after 60% concentration. Demerits of biocomposting. Biocomposting has long cycle time of 60 days. It is a step-by-step process which involves regular aeration by aerotrailing, inoculation with culture, curing, aging and drying. In monsoon season, this process time increases and efficiency reduces. For this process, we require press mill with other filler material and more manpower. We require approximately 10 acres of land with covered shed and concrete floor. Demerits of incineration boiler. Capital investment is very high. Operating cost is almost 20% more than Raj JLD. Frequent cleaning is required. Maintenance cost is high. High capacity incineration boiler is required to burn the vinasse with coal to maintain 75-25 ratio. Hence, excess steam is generated. This excess steam needed to vent to match the heat and power balance of complex. This is not suitable for juice to ethanol case. Taking note of disadvantage of existing methods, Raj proposed new invention in vinasse treatment termed as Raj Zero Liquid Discharge. In Raj Zero Liquid Discharge, the biomethane vinasse is concentrated up to 50% by using multiple effect evaporator. This is combination of fouling film and forced circulation method. We first remove dissolved gases from biomethane vinasse by passing through special designed degasifying and preheating system. The degasified vinasse is further pumped to first effect of evaporation system. We use steam for evaporation in first effect of evaporator. For further effect, we use vapor of previous effect evaporation. This way, we do maximum utilization of heat, due to which the evaporation process is more economical. Our power consumption is also lower due to selection of more efficient pumps and longer tubes of calandria. The special designed vapor liquid separator avoids the carryover and contamination. We have designed the system at lower temperature and higher vacuum to avoid hard scaling inside the tubes. After certain concentration, we do forced circulation in calandria to maintain velocity of fluid to avoid choking inside tubes. Due to this, our system operates continuously for 30 days without CIP cleaning. Even we can provide floating bodies for continuous operation to avoid cleaning stoppage. The final discharge from the evaporator is 50% concentration. The process condensate obtained from the evaporator is completely crystal clear. pH value of process condensate is 8 to 9. COD value is around 4000 to 5000 milligram per liter. BOD value is 2000 to 2500 milligram per liter. This evaporation system is completely automated to avoid human intervention. We have designed a condensate polishing unit for reusing of process condensate water. We can achieve COD up to 300 to 400 milligram per liter and BOD up to 150 to 200 milligram per liter. pH value will be 6.5 to 7. This treated process condensate shall be used for cooling tower makeup and for fermentation process water. Spray dryer. The 50% concentrated biomethane vinasse from the multiple effect evaporator is fed into the spray dryer by feed pump. In the spray dryer, the liquid is atomized by high speed atomizer at the top of the chamber. The hot air is generated by burning of coal or any other fuel. High efficient air distributor is used to feed hot air in chamber. In chamber, atomizer feed is mixed with hot air. As the atomized vinasse comes in contact with hot air, immediately the water evaporates and dry powder discharge from bottom of chamber. The process air carries fine particles which is further arrested in high efficient cyclone. Very fine particles cannot be arrested in cyclone. These fine particles is scrubbed in wet scrubber. Exhaust of wet scrubber carries particulate matters below 50 ppm, which is within permissible limit of Central Pollution Control Board. Spray drying system is automated and requires very less manpower. This system consumes moderate power and low fuel. This system does not require cleaning and it operates for 365 days without any stoppage. Maintenance cost is negligible. Granulation plant. Dried vinasse powder at 5% moisture discharged from spray dryer is granulated in the granulation plant. Depending upon application, we decide the recipe and quantity of other ingredients. We mix vinasse powder with other ingredients in blender. After blending, we feed this mixture into granulator. After granulation, we do standard packing as per requirements. This granules is rich in potash. It contains organic carbon and other minerals. These granules can be stored in bags for longer time. It is easy to handle and transport. This granule is easily soluble in water. This can be used for various crops as organic fertilizer. In India, this fertilizer is termed as potash derived from molasses. There are many big organizations in India who are selling these products under the brand like Cash, PDM, Ron Potash, Organicide, etc. This technology of Raj Zero Liquid Discharge has been widely appreciated by All India Distillery Association, Uttar Pradesh Distillery Association. This Raj Liquid Discharge technology has been visited and acknowledged by various renowned distilleries like Ethanol Company Limited from Malawi, other Indian companies like Radico Khaitan, Ugar Sugar, Nipani Sugar, Kanoria Sugar, Chadda Sugar and many more. Major key advantage of Raj Zero Liquid Discharge. Return of investment is within 2 years. Environment friendly with zero pollution. Proven technology for continuous operation for 365 days. Water intake reduces by 40%. Fuel consumption reduction by 50%. Please send your feedback or any inquiries to our email ID sales @rajprocessequipment.com RAJPROCESSEQUIPMENT.com. I repeat, sales@rajprocessequipment.com. Thanking you for attending us patiently. We also thankful to Informa PLC for arranging this forum and giving us an opportunity for this presentation. Thanks.